ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Now the question is, if 180 degrees is less than A is less than 270 degrees, that means theta lies in third quadrant. Theta means A lies in third quadrant. And the sign it is given theta. 180 degrees is less than theta is less than 270 degrees. And the sin theta is given minus 5 by 13. Then find the value of this. So here 180 degrees less than theta less than 270 degrees implies theta lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant sin theta. Sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta minus 5 by 13. Minus or plus depends on the quadrant. Sin theta means what? For a right angle triangle. So sin theta. So this is opposite side 5. Hypotenuse. This is, suppose the triangle is, let it be some ABC triangle. So this is ABC triangle. ABC. So this is 5 and this is 90 degrees. What about this? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square 25 plus BC square is equal to AC square 13 square. So BC square is equal to 169 minus 25, which is 144. Therefore BC is equal to 12. So adjacent side is 12. So now this is cot theta. What is cot theta equal to? Tan theta means what? Opposite by adjacent side. Cot theta means this is a adjacent side by opposite side. So this is a 12 by 5. 12 by 5. After that, whether you check it is a negative or a positive. Theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant only tan and cot are positive. Therefore cot is positive. So that becomes what? 12 by 5 plus 12 by 5. 12 by 5. Next to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to tan theta opposite side by adjacent side. So this is 5 by 12. And clearly these two are positive in third quadrant. Next to sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to given already minus 5 by 13 implies cosecant theta equal to cosecant theta. So this is minus 13 by 5. Cosecant is also, so this is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to minus 13 by 5. Since sin is negative already is given in third quadrant. Cosecant means what? It's a reciprocal. So minus 13 by 5. Now this is, that means what? The given expression is equal to this one. 5 into cot theta. That means what? 12 by 5 whole square plus 12 into tan theta. Tan theta is 5 by 12 plus 13 into cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is minus 13 by 5. So this is equal to 5 into 144 by 25. Next 12 gets cancelled plus 5 minus 169 by 5. Here 5 times cancel, that is 144 by 5 plus 5 means 5 by 1 minus 169 by 5. So 5 is LCM. 144 plus 25 minus 169. 169 minus 169 by 5. 0 by 5, which is 0. The value is 0. Sin theta is equal to minus 5 by 13. Don't put here minus 5. This is the length, that is the minus 5. Don't put minus. It is only positive. Negative or positive depends on the theta. Theta lies in third quadrant. Therefore, sin negative, that becomes minus 5 by cot theta. Cot theta is what? 12 by 5. 12 by 5. Because cot is positive in third quadrant, tan is also positive. You want to find out cos theta. What is cos theta? 12 by 5. But theta lies in third quadrant, that becomes minus 12 by 5. But there is no cos, only these. So, similar model problems, you solve these problems. If theta belongs to first quadrant and tan theta is equal to 4 by 5, then tan theta equal to 4 by 5, then find the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by, this is sin theta plus 2 cos theta. Answer is, this is answer. Second one, if 270 degrees less than theta less than 360 degrees, that means theta lies in fourth quadrant and cos theta is equal to 5 by 30. Then find 13 sin theta plus 5 tan theta by, this is 12 cot theta minus 5 secant theta. Answer is 4 by 3. Answer 4 by 3. And you know the formulas. So, this is sin of A plus B. In 10th class also you are having all these formulas. Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Cos A sin B, sin of A plus B form. And sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. And next to cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And cos of A minus B is equal to, cos of A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. Sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B, cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B. Now we are having tan of A plus B is equal to, tan of A plus B equal to, this can be written as sin of A plus B by cos of A plus B. Now sin of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B by cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. So this is cos sin A plus B by cos of A plus B. Sin of A plus B formula, cos of A plus B formula. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. Cos A cos B. So this is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B by cos A cos B. By, for denominator, this is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B by cos A cos B, dividing numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. That is equal to, here x plus y by 2 can be written as x by 2 plus y by 2, like this, x by 2 plus y by 2. Now this write sin A cos B by cos A cos B. So this becomes what? Cos B gets cancelled, sin A by cos A. So this is tan A. Tan A. Next one, cos A gets cancelled, sin B by cos B plus tan B by cos A cos B gets cancelled, 1 minus sin A by cos A, tan A, sin B by cos B, tan B. Now this is the formula for tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A tan B. And similarly we have to prove tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A tan B. So the formulas are very important. So why I am doing all the means what? By before starting to the coordinate geometry, you are having the little bit of idea about the trigonometry. So these are all the basic points which are used in all geometry part. Write down. and also cot of a plus b is equal to, in the same way we have to prove this also, cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a, and cot of a minus b equal to cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. And again, sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. Now in this one, in the above formula, sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Put b is equal to a. In place of b, write a. Therefore, this is a sin of a plus a is equal to sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. That is equal to, so sin a cos a, sin a cos a. This is x plus x, 2x. That is 2 sin a cos a. So this is sin 2a, sin 2a form. And also this you write 2 sin a multiplied and divided by cos a into cos square a. That is equal to 2. This is tan a. Tan a. This is 1 by secant square a. That is equal to 2 tan a by secant square means what? 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a. Therefore, sin 2a. Sin 2a form 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a in terms of tan. So, this is what is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a, or in terms of tan 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a. In the above formula, put a is equal to a by 2. Put a equal to a by 2. Therefore, sin of 2 into a by 2 is equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, or 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. So, in place of a, put a by 2. So, this becomes what? 2 gets cancelled. So, this is the formula for sin a is equal to, this is sin a. Sin a equal to, sin a formula 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, or 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. And again cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Sin a sin b. Now there also put b is equal to a. So this is cos of, now this is cos of a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. In this put b is equal to a. So cos a plus a equal to cos a cos a minus sin a into sin a. So this is cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So this is one formula, cos 2a. So this right, cos square a minus of sin square a is 1 minus cos square a. That is cos square a minus 1 minus of minus plus cos square a. That is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So this is one formula. That also equal to 2 into 1 minus sin square a minus 1. 2 into 1 minus sin square a minus 1. That is equal to 2 minus 2 sin square a minus 1. That is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So this is one formula. Therefore cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a or 2 cos square a minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square a. So these are the formulas. So cos 2a formulas. So this is cos square a minus sin square a. 2 cos square a minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square a. In this one, put a is equal to a by 2. Then this is cos of 2 into a by 2. 2 gets cancelled. This is cos a is equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2 or 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. So these are the formulas for cos 2a. From this you are getting cos a. So cos 2a is equal to again cos square a minus sin square a. Now I am taking cos square a is taking common. 1 minus sin square a by cos square a. That is, this can be written as 1 by secant square a into 1 minus tan square a. sin a by cos a, that is tan a. Sin square a by cos square a, tan square a. That is 1 minus tan square a by secant square a means what? 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a. So this is also cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a in terms of tan. That is, this is also a formula. 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a in terms of this, in terms of tan. So this also, or this is 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Next term, tan of, you know that tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. 1 minus tan a tan b. In this, put b is equal to a. Put b equal to a. So this is the tan of a plus a is equal to tan a plus tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a. That is equal to, this is tan a plus tan a, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So this is the tan 2a formula. Tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Here put a is equal to a by 2 in the above formula. So this is the tan of 2 into a by 2. 2 gets cancelled. That is tan a equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. 1 minus tan square a by 2 is in terms of tan a formula, tan 2a formula. Now, find the values of sin 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees, sin 75 degrees, cos 75 degrees, and sin 105 degrees, cos of 105 degrees, and tan 15 degrees, and so on. First one, sin 15 degrees equal to sin of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. 45 minus 30, that is 15 degrees. This is a sin of a minus b form. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos A sin B. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Sin 45, cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. So by taking LCM, this is 2 root 2 is LCM. So this is root 3 minus 1. So sin 15 degrees is equal to sin 15 degrees root 5 minus 1 by 3 root 2 root 2. So sin 15 degrees equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the standard results. These are all. Next one, cos 15 degrees is equal to cos of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Cos A minus B form, cos A to cos B plus sin A. A is 45 degrees, B is 30 degrees into sin 30 degrees. Sin 40, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now LCM is 2 root 2 to LCM. So this is root 3 plus 1. So this is cos of 15 degrees. So cos 15 degrees equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now tan 15 degrees equal to sin 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees or tan of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. That is also you get the result. Sin 15 degrees value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So these gets cancelled, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into by rationalizing root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 multiply and divided by. So this is root 3 minus 1 whole square by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So this is a minus b whole square, root 3 whole square is 3 plus b square 1 minus 2 into root 3, a square plus b square minus 2ab, b is 1 by 3 minus 1, that is equal to, that is 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. If you take 2 is taking common, 2 common, 2 minus root 3 by 2. So these gets cancelled. Therefore tan 15 degrees value, tan 15 degrees 2 minus root 3. So tan 15 degrees equal to 2 minus root 3. Now sine of 75 degrees can be written as sine of 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. 90 minus 15 is 75. 75 is 90 minus 15. So sine of 90 minus theta, sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta, where cos 15 degrees, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos of 75 degrees is equal to cos of 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. 90 minus 15 is 75 degrees. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, where sin 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Next one, tan of 75 degrees is equal to, this is the tan of 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. 15 degrees, that is equal to tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 15 degrees, where cot 15 is 1 by tan 15 degrees, that equal to 1 by tan 15, 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3. By rationalizing 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3, that is equal to 2 plus root 3 by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 4 minus 3. 4, 2 square is 4, root 3 over square is 3, that is 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3. Okay. Therefore, cot 15 degrees value 2 plus root 3. Cot 15 value, cot 15 degrees value 2 plus root 3, that is equal to tan 75 value, tan 75 degrees. So, if we are, remember these two, automatically you will get all by using these two only. So, sin 15 degrees, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, cos 15 degrees, this is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, cos 15, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, followed by, you will get all the values. Next term, sin of 105 degrees is equal to sin of 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. Sin 90 plus theta, second quadrant, sin positive, that equal to cos 15 degrees. Cos 15 degrees value, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next term, cos of 105 degrees equal to cos of 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. Cos 90 plus theta, second quadrant, cos is negative. So this is minus sin 15 degrees. That equal to minus of root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Next term, tan of 105 degrees is equal to tan of 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. 90 plus 15, second quadrant, tan is negative. So minus cot 15 degrees. So cot 15 degrees value. So this is 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. Then next result, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus sin square a. Cos square b minus sin square a. Now, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to just only formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b into sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is a b, a b, a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is, a square is sin square a cos square b. Sin a cos b whole square, that is sin square a cos square b minus cos square a into sin square b. So, convert the problem in terms of completely sin or in terms of cos. First, write in terms of sin. Sin square a into, this is 1 minus sin square b minus 1 minus sin square a into sin square b. Completely convert in terms of sin. By multiplying sin square a minus sin square a into sin square a into sin square b. Next, minus 1 into this minus sin square b, minus of minus plus sin square a into sin square b. So, these gets cancelled, that is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Sin square a minus sin square b. So, this is the first formula. Or if in terms of cos, 1 minus cos square a minus of 1 minus cos square b. So, that is 1 minus cos square a minus 1 plus cos square b. So, 1 cancel, this is plus, this is minus, that is cos square b minus cos square a. So, cos square b minus this is cos square a. So, this is not sin square, this is cos square. Cos square b minus cos square a. So, this is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus cos square a. And similarly we have to prove this is cos of, this is one result, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus sin square A. So, just we have to prove this one. So, already I derived this one, just you have to derive this one. Cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B equal to cos square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus sin square A. Okay, thank you.